When they say that Doris Ogala is not married, now I want to introduce to you precious husband. Oh, thank you for me. He's shy. Somebody should give my husband. Women, give my husband. That's it.
Welcome to Real Crime Chronicles, where every mystery finds its truth. Tap the bell and never miss the next case.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, subscribe, like, comment, and turn on notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be notified. Okay guys, we have a new update here. This is about Doris. So again, Doris has reconciled with her husband. We are very happy for you, Doris. She has reconciled with her husband. She really apologized to him, and in her write-up in her Instagram account, she just wrote that everything that the occultic kingdom has collected, stolen from her, that God has retrieved it back to her. I'm happy for her. She said due to the confession that she have made, that God has restored her marriage. So we are happy, and we also thank the young man that accepted her back. May God grant all your requests. This is a good news. All right guys, I will leave you to watch the video and see for yourself, and remember to put your comment in comment section.
When they say that Doris Ogala is not married, now I want to introduce to you precious husband. Oh, thank you for me. He's shy. Somebody should women clap. Women, give my husband. That's him. Bring him. Bring my husband. All the love.
You are welcome back, guys. I hope you have seen what happened here. It's so exciting. Oh, Doris, thank God for your life. And I pray that your marriage will stay this time around. No distraction, nothing. All right, guys, what is your thought in this thing that is happening now? Do you think that Doris Ogala deserves to be happy? I want to see your thoughts in comment section.